Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another N-ORAMA episode. Today we are going to speak about home security. And we have a very nice product. It's the Shelly Door window contact. So basically the idea here, you have two magnets. One goes on the door, one goes on the frame of the door. And it's like a normally closed. So when it's normally closed, the door is closed. When it's open, when the contact is open, then we get the signal that the door is open. Then it's again closed. Let's dive in the product a little bit more and let's see it together. So first, we have the manual here of the Shelly window door. I always recommend you to step in and read everything before you mount something, because the thing you want is not to do mistakes. So here we have the device itself. Here we have some manuals as well, and this is the installation manuals. I mean, the thing what I see with Shelly is like they are very end customer friendly. So you see, you get everything. You don't need to worry about anything. You even get the 3M tape here, and you get the installation manuals as well. Like, it's really interesting how they do it. So basically everyone who doesn't have an idea, who is not an electrician or who is not like a technician, like it's very easy and very friendly for the end customer to use it. So I recommend the Shelly. I've been now installing Shelly like third time will be this one here. As you know, we've installed the radiators, the package of 1 and the package of 2. We use the same receiver to pair it all in one, and we have it on a 230 volt adapter. So 230 volt current, sorry. So here you go. This is the contact you have. It's very thin and very easy to install. So yes, this is how it's done. Okay, here is let's see. So now you get the 3M. You need to have this one, you need to have this one. So let's do it. I'm just putting the 3M on it. As you can see, just be careful, don't put it on the round here, because otherwise when you want to put new batteries, change your batteries after 1 year, then you will have troubleshooting. Trouble. I don't know, trouble. You will have trouble for sure. So here you go again, and this is the magnet. We have done it. So because for me it's also the first time that I'm going to install something like that. I need to read first and come back to you. Okay, so for this video, I'm going to use a ladder. And the two contacts we have here. And what I want to do is be sure that the door is here. So let's put it up here. Take the 3M sticker. Make sure it's on the right position. And you have the possibility via your magnet, you can keep it. Like, have a test. I'm going to get here real quick. I'm going to go back.